My name is Gerardo Ramirez. I work with CR Doctors. We have a medical tourism facilitation company in Costa Rica. CR stands for Costa Rica Doctors. Well, this is the biggest event worldwide dedicated to medical tourism. The MTA Association has been great to us. They have given us quite a bit of patience. So we thought that coming here to this conference was a great option to get great exposure, get to know what trends the market is going, get to know the biggest players, the biggest competitors, also get to know insurance company, hospitals, and see how the market is moving on this business. Yeah, we can do groups, any type. We have plenty of options of treatment. The hospitals we work with are JCI accredited. We really believe certifications and accreditations are the best way to gain patients' confidence as fast as possible in this growing market, very competitive market. So the only two hospitals we work with are JCI, and all our physicians have done studies in the US or Europe. So they are accredited by very prestigious organizations. They are certified by these prestigious organizations. The patients we look at are US citizens, Canadian citizens that want to get great treatment, 5-star treatment, very personalized attention on these facilitations, on these hospitals that I was telling you about by these physicians I just mentioned, which are accredited at the best and fairest price possible. Well, we came to the conference just to see, well, like I was saying, the MTA is very big on this. We wanted to know the trends of the market. We wanted to get to meet the biggest players. We have done great alliances with a lot of people, a lot of insurance companies, a lot of facilitators from other parts of the world. Costa Rica has a lot of options that are native to our country. For example, we have a very good health system. The physicians over there tend to be very educated. They do their general medicine in Costa Rica, they get a degree, and most of them travel abroad to Europe, USA, other parts of the world where medicine is more evolved. They use, they do more complex procedures, so they get their specialties, subspecialties in even, or master's degree abroad. Then they come back to Costa Rica and they keep Costa Rica health level at a very high, position worldwide. Okay, well, definitely. Since we started this business, we wanted to be part of the biggest, not facilitators, but the biggest regulators. And we wanted to be part of the biggest certifications and accreditations because, like I already said, this is the most important thing for the patients. And for us also, we want to work with the most high standards. We really promote safety. We really promote patient satisfaction and confidence. That's our main goals in all the things that we do, in all the services that we offer. We promote safety and satisfaction as the most important thing, and also the fairest price. The MTA, we thought about the MTA because, well, the Medical Tourism Association is the biggest entity and the entity that regulates this business at the topest quality. For example, well, they have done. This is the 7th time they do this Congress. It's the first time we attend. We are certainly going to go next year to Orlando, which is going to be a great event. And we also think that the MTA being here in the US and the US being the biggest producer of medical tourism patients, we really need to belong to this. Our experience with the MTA has been very pleasant. All the people that works there has been very helpful to us. They have given us excellent tips. The webcasts are a very important and useful tool for us. And also, well, they have given us plenty of patience, and that is our reason to be here, the patients. We want to give fair and high quality service, excellent healthcare to everybody around. Everybody should have the option to have the best service at the fairest price possible. If they cannot get it in the country where they were born or in the country where they live, Costa Rica is a great option for them. And CR Doctors is one of the best options in Costa Rica. Well, if a patient wants to come to Costa Rica, my first advice will be check our website and give us a call for sure. The second advice will be make sure that the surgery you're having is going to be on a certified place by a accredited physician, somebody that knows what he's doing, that has done this procedure several times. And I'm not talking about 1, 2, 10 times. I'm talking about at least 300 times. All our physicians have excellent experience in what they do. We don't have a lot of physicians. We have 1 or 2 at the most per specialty, and they are very, very skillful in what they do. This is the most important thing. Another important thing will be the price. That always have to be important for the person, and then the outcome of the surgery. Where are you going to have the recovery? When are you going to fly back? And also, when you go back to your country, it's very important for you to have a detailed list of what you had done, what materials they use, if you have any staples, any stitches to get removed later on, and that's basically the most important things.